light flashed before my eyes, man.
I'm coughing on board, checkmate. I smoke nuts and I got all my chest. Cannibal week, Hannibal shit. Don't trip, all one shit dip. It's a cannibal week. But my lighters light it up and chicks. Let me light it up and smoke and get blind. I'm kicking with jar, I bless. My niggas I smoke with. Cigar and I sick with these lighters. Progress and keeping sits on the ground and blind. With a brain full of lines and drugs. Dealers in the bleeders digest. I find a new love triggling in my brain. And a half of a doctor, half of a OB cat, half of the fat cat. Blocks that when niggas never put their clocks up and they get your cock sucked, nigga, you just can't stop us. Plug to the brain, insane with main game that will maintain untouchable, cut your throat and leave you in the streets with necks up on your fronts, mud. I'm the smoker, I dig in the mic, is in the mouth, balls on your chest, up you tear up your nose. My nigga always give you a nigga blows. White clean wax out your ear. Yeah, the drop my tail, the way couldn't be tough. Soul in the way couldn't be sucked. I'm about to kill your sweet hoes. So TikTok don't stop hustling. No one went down low. Live on your love muscles. My brain is an empty. Wearing the back. I'm the man. On your volcano, sick in the heads. I can't think straight, sir. I'm insane. I'm simply insane. I'm a nigga cause see clocks on the legs over my eye. Drop like a black cat with a neck cat. In my lap with the fat sack of a crack. Took the heat of a dash.